Hi, my name is Daniel and this is a smoke detector project I made using Arduino Uno board and DRF shell board, and the smoke sensor is MSHENGU'S sensor and a buzzer as well RGB light. So this is before I solder on a DFR board. It's messy with the wires crossing each other like that, but I have a solution for it. This is after soldering and it looks nice. On the first try, everything works properly as expected. The sensor can detect smoke, and on the screen is serial communication between Arduino and the computer. The flowing intervals shows the rate of present smoke on the atmosphere of the room. You can set manually on how sensitive you want it to be. The aim of this device is to alert you on time before you get burned in your home. Don't ever think you don't need it until it's the moment you have to deal with fire and it's too late. There's plenty on the market. Get yourself one. It's easy. Now I'll let you watch in peace, and please don't forget to like and support. Follow me for more. There's more coming.